All right, good morning. We have what for breakfast, guys?
Pancakes.
And what's in them?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Yeah, Mommy put white chocolate in them. Are they tasty?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna eat our breakfast and then we're gonna get hopefully an early start to Chimney Rock. That way we can beat the heat. So we'll see you on the trails. We are back at Chimney Rock State Park, where I guess we didn't explain things very well yesterday. We got the family annual pass, so we are able to come as many times this year as we would like to. So today is day number 2. We're gonna do the Chimney and Exclamation Point Trail. At least that's the plan for now. We might try to do another trail. We will see. Hopefully the weather holds out. And the park officially opens in 1 minute. So us and all these other cars in front of us are going to get in first thing in the morning. We have parked and there's the chimney, which we're going to take a whole bunch of steps to get up to. But then there is also look at that guy. This view. Look. Bask in the glory. The stairs begin. Lots and lots of stairs. We're gonna take them nice and slow. Not just for safety, but for energy conservation. Bella says that way to the grotto.
Going that way, kiddo?
We can do both, Christian. They have the same amount of stairs. Come on, let's. I see.
I see.
Look. The view has the river in it.
Yeah, if we go up the next set of stairs.
We have made it to the grotto. Just a little cutout in the rocks
Look at the view.
that offers a very pretty view.
Can we sit here?
Up the
Enjoy
river.
the view.
We're high.
So go through there. Just duck. Go ahead.
Keep going, you're fine.
It's much easier for Bella. It's situations like this where being short is an advantage. Okay, hang on. Stand right there.
Subway.
Yeah, that's the subway. Daddy next to the entrance. Here, go stand next to Daddy.
Okay. Hop down. I'm hopping.
Bella literally barely had to duck under there.
Yeah.
All right, and now we're back to stairs. All right, time to go up to Pulpit Rock.
Best view ever.
No, the chimney is gonna be pretty good.
It will be the best view.
How many floors climbed today do we think we're gonna get?
This is the
Right, go over there.
This is the best view ever. And the view of the river.
So you can see the campground we're staying at down there. And here is the rock. And there's the chimney.
Not too far.
we're gonna make it to the chimney.
Yeah. Look, you can see the fire truck with its lights flashing down at the fire station.
Yep.
I don't see ya.
All right, last little bit up to the chimney. The Chimney Rock at Chimney Rock. Bella made it.
You gotta see it here.
I see the view. Worth climbing all the stairs, Christian? Yeah. And now you sit.
This is actually a town. Or there's a little mining town.
What do you
They dammed it
see?
and flooded it in, so it's about 100 acres now.
Yeah, I can see pretty well without it right now.
You see the trees and stuff?
I see our car down there.
I don't.
Okay, we are going to now do the Exclamation Point trail, which takes you about 200 feet above the chimney for wow moments. So, let's go. Okay, but we're not talking about the Four Seasons trail, are we? Did that yesterday. And it's a good thing we did it yesterday when we parked down there so we wouldn't have to take it back up. We have made it to the opera box. Because it looks like you're sitting in a fancy box at the opera. So, Bella can stand everywhere in here. Christian barely has clearance. Daddy has to duck. Ready? Ready? Oh, yep. I can hit my head in here too. Yes.
I'm the only
Well,
one that can stand
here
in
is the view from the opera box.
I can stand in here too.
And as I learned from the sign down there, that is Lake Lure that we can see.
Does that mean you have good luck when fishing?
Maybe. And then the river goes through down there. Okay, we're leaving the opera box after a brief sit. And we don't have that many more stairs to go.
4 6 times. Yeah, you're probably not going to want to go to your room when we get home, are you?
You'll be fine.
You're going to look and be like, Anakin with sand. Stairs. My nemesis.
Yeah.
Christian, you gotta see this.
There's a doggy on the 2 doggies on the chimney.
Hi, doggies. Hi, doggies.
There's the opera box down there. That's where we just were.
And there's dog.
Okay, we've made it to the top of the stairs where we have a choice. Exclamation Point or Devil's Head. We're gonna check out Devil's Head because it's right here. And then go to Exclamation Point. So come here.
To the right, please.
Look, there's no stairs. It's just a ramp.
Yay.
Now I can finally not have steps.
It's a nice little area. See, just because you're on the Exclamation Point trail, you can come over here and look at the rock that looks like the devil.
Oh yeah, I kind of see it.
So, that rock hanging out there Look,
It's more
it's
like
like
a troll.
a troll, the devil, you know, whatever. I hear the waterfall though and the river. He might have training or something today. Okay, we are back on Exclamation Point Trail, which the last time I came here that wasn't yesterday, when I came with my family in 2008, yes, 8, this trail was closed due to weather or something, so I have not been up here. I have done the chimney before, but I have not gone above it, so. Well, okay, that's a lie. We were able to get up to Devil's Head, but that's it that time. As you can see, there are stairs that are built into the ground that are kind of treacherous. We're not actually following her. Okay, but there's not that many more stairs. You can do it, dude. She's walking back this way because that's her job today, is to be on this trail. There's not that many more stairs, Christian. You can do it.
Do I go?
I don't know.
Let's go this way.
Hang on, I'm gonna go this way.
Okay, fine.
You know, where it actually looks like a trail. Well, yeah, I know, but she would fall. Look how cool the rocks look. It's Exclamation Point. You have made it to the Exclamation Point. So there you go. You've gone up another 260 feet.
Where's the Exclamation?
That's where we're at.
Go to east.
We are there.
Yeah, we are there.
The trail we have done.
Yep.
And that is the trail we are doing.
Yet we are now on the Skyline Trail, not the Disney Skyliner. That's much more relaxing, less naturey. But from what the I don't know what they're called here, the employee that works here, right? She said it's kind of hilly, but it's no more stairs. Okay. So that's nice. Nice gentle climb. Like, this isn't bad. Right, Bells? Right, Christian? And we'll eat lunch on this trail somewhere.
Do we follow the blue mark?
We follow the trail. But the Exclamation Point Trail and the Four Seasons Trail are the hardest trails here. And you've done them, so this should be good. Made it to Peregrine's Point Overlook with an elevation, Christian, of, watch out, 2,640 feet above sea level, I imagine. But that's another almost 200 feet, what, 160
There's
foot.
the end of
Yeah.
Exclamation Point Trail.
So all the way over there, if my phone, there we go. Exclamation Point's over there. Climbed up another 160 feet from there. But luckily it has not been stairs. There's a lot of bees over here though, doing their little bee thing. There is a picnic area here, and yeah. I just thought this part was kind of cool with all these rocks. Just carefully walk, Isabella. It's fine. Just walk carefully.
I was just walking on rock. Oh dear.
It's fine. You're fine.
I'm just walking on rocks. Okay, there's the tiny creek that goes off over here.
There you go. You made it.
Thanks.
Yeah, that's a wobbly one. Thank you, Mackenzie. Found some downhill which means it will be uphill on the way out. But that's okay, because the rest of it will be downhill. Yay!
The amount of uphill that we have coming back will be
Less.
compared to the uphill we
Yeah.
had coming.
Yeah. Watch the tree roots. But I hear water. I don't know if you can hear it in the video. You can hear an airplane. But I can hear water. Been able to hear it for probably about 5-ish minutes now. Means we're getting closer to...
Crossover.
Yep. Is there water behind me? Oh no. Is there water behind me?
Yes. Yes.
So if you want to finish this trail, you must cross the water, that eventually goes to the waterfall we went to yesterday. Very carefully. Isabella, do you want to hold my hand or no?
No.
Okay.
Sure.
We're gonna keep going, Christian. We get closer to where it falls. You can't see like the whole waterfall. Okay, or just walk through the water. That's fine. There's a path, Christian. Okay. We made it to the Upper Cascades viewing area. So
If you want to get down
that,
quickly,
yeah.
there is a waterfall.
Now that over there at the edge is the top of the waterfall that we saw on yesterday's hike. Okay, we made it to elevation 2,590 feet. What was the elevation of the chimney, Christian? Do you remember?
No.
I don't remember.
22
2280?
something like that. So we're about 300 feet higher than that. And we did go down a little bit on the trail to get here, right?
Yeah. Okay, come here and look at the mountain.
Okay, we have finished our lunch. Maybe. We've finished our lunch to the sounds of falling water. And now we're gonna make our way back.
To these hikes, which will be impossible.
It's not impossible because once we get up this little bit of uphill, all of it's downhill. Everything we had that was uphill on the way here is gonna be downhill.
What?
Yeah. Box, please. Christian, come on.
Christian, come on. People are coming behind us.
No, do not stop. Go please. Walk. Careful.
We've made it back to Peregrine's Point. All right, you can run to the tree. Just be careful. Do you guys want to look out again? Okay, we have made it back to the Exclamation Point, and it took us, I couldn't get my watch to show time, it took us less than 45 minutes to get back here, and that's with stopping a couple of times and looking at some stuff. So yeah, it's pretty accurate, the length of time they put on the sign. But if you stop, we stopped more times going out.
Yeah, and we stopped for about 30 minutes
to eat our lunch, which was good. But yeah, I think this rock up at Exclamation Point is really, really cool looking. I don't know what kind of rock it is, but I like the ripples. We're gonna head down Exclamation Point Trail.
which means stairs.
Yeah, but it's going downstairs, so it should be way better. But it is beautiful. You look out into the valley and it's just like, it's like a painting. We're going down the stairs, which are so much nicer going down than going up. Alright, careful going beside this rock. There's not a lot of space, okay? Sorry about my finger being in the shot. I was kind of holding a hand and holding the camera. Weird. Keep going. Careful. We made it to the bottom of Exclamation Trail pretty quickly, actually, like really quickly, because going down steps is much easier than going up steps.
And I was in a hurry to go to the bathroom.
Yeah, Bella needed to go to the bathroom. But now we're going to go down the steps on the outcroppings trail from the chimney. I think we're going to check out Vista Rock because we didn't do that on the way up. And then maybe do something else. Okay, well, we made it to Vista Rock. Don't throw things. You could hit people or cars. I see our car. We are in Crevice Pass. Because you gotta go off to the side here. Go between the rocks.
Why are
Okay.
we doing this?
Because that was it. We didn't do it on the way up, and we want to go through it. And then look, we're back where we started. And I are headed down some more steps. We are starting the Hickory Nut Falls trail from the very beginning instead of where we started yesterday at like the halfway point where it met up with the Four Seasons trail. So we are going to do this while Christian and Howard are going to just hang out because they are done for the day, and that is fine. Bella wants to go see the waterfall again, so we're going to go.
Could be cooled down.
Yeah, we're going to go do that.
And then we're gonna go get some ice cream.
Ice cream? Who said something about ice cream?
No!
Oh, me? I guess I said something about ice cream. We'll see.
In the gift shop, you said something.
Oh, okay. Made it to the waterfall. I don't even know if you can hear me. Careful, Bella. But we were all the way up there before and watched it from the top. And now we're over here where there are very many people, more than yesterday. Slippery, huh? Yeah, it's all the lichen on the rocks. Yeah. At the waterfall a second time. Was it nice and cold and refreshing? We are walking.
But the breeze is drying me except my hand.
Okay. We are making our way back towards where the Hickory Nut Falls trail meets up with the Four Seasons trail. And then we're going to go meet up with Christian and Daddy, right?
If they drive from each car, then we wouldn't have to walk up the hill.
Yeah, we won't have to walk up the hill. Yeah, okay. We are making our way. My phone thinks it's upside down for some reason. Down the stairs at the start of the Four Seasons trail. The fully man-made stairs, not the built into the earth stairs. Careful on that rock. Now that there's not people around us, it's peaceful. I mean, it's nice to say hi to other people on the trail, but when we got here this morning and when we did this trail yesterday, there was like nobody on it. And then as we got to about lunchtime today, more and more people started coming. As we were heading back on the Skyline Trail, tons and tons of people Waterfall Trail had tons of people. The waterfall had tons of people. Sorry it's shaking. I am walking downhill and trying not to fall over. Lots of people here today now. But it is Saturday and it is the afternoon. We finished the trail. That's what your mother will say. Come on. We have completed, once again, the Four Seasons Trail. And we are meeting them somewhere down here to see. Hi, Christian. Children, we're leaving Chimney Rock a little 5 hours and 10 minutes after we got here. Did you guys have a good day?
Yeah.
Did you guys have fun hiking? What was your favorite trail, Christian?
The one to
Because your name is Christian. Okay, the one to the chimney.
the waterfall one.
Okay. Did you have fun?
I did.
What was your favorite trail?
The waterfall one
It's a good time.
trails are my favorite.
Yeah, all the trails were good. So outside of the Great Woodland Adventure, Bella and I went on every trail here today. We didn't do technically the whole Hickory Nut Falls because we didn't go all the way back to the top, and we didn't do the whole Four Seasons. We didn't do it round trip. But we did a lot of hiking today. Bella's little legs walked 17,000 of my steps. So we are leaving the park now, and we might be going to get a treat. Okay, we've got our ice cream from Village Scoop, which we walked to because there was no parking in front of, but it wasn't too far. So what kind did you get, Christian?
The peanut butter cup.
Peanut butter cup, and Bella got strawberry cheesecake. I got peanut butter caramel cheesecake, and well, is it good? Is it good, Christian? Yeah. What do you get?
Something midnight
Something.
with caramel. It's a chocolate milkshake. It's really good. It's really rich. Nice and tasty.
Lick it, please. Like all the way around your cone. Our ice cream. I'm gonna take a picture, and you guys can pause this if you really want to know all their flavors. They serve Hershey's ice cream, and it's right by the entrance to Chimney Rock, and not that far from the campground we're staying at. Yes, and it was actually a nice walk to get down here to avoid having to try to find a parking spot. So now we are going to walk back. We made it back to the campground. Took about 5 minutes. Here at the campground there is pool, there's ping pong, there's checkers, there's claw machine, and I also found another way to get down to the river. We have come down to the river to play. Chilly? That's how the waterfall was. Christian, is it cold?
I'm sinking my boat so it can clean up the water.
Okay. Sit down. Go. Tree is dead. Very much so.
That is a water slide. Right there's a water.
Not a water slide you want to go down. It would hurt your booty. All right, come on. Christian, no. No. This way. Okay. Get to under that rock.
I'm not gonna ask you something. 9 minutes. Why?
Do you want to eat dinner tonight?
Okay, so we gotta go back. We gotta start the fire.
Okay, so I started recording something earlier and my phone died in the middle of it. So, did you guys have fun at the river?
Yeah.
We are back up at the cabin. It started to rain a little bit, trying to get a fire going so we can cook our dinner. And if not, well, we still have our stove that we can use. But hopefully we can cook one thing over a real fire. But we will see. Okay, as you can see, we got the fire going. Took a bit, but sometimes fire is tricky.
We also didn't have that. I was working with some wood.
So now we are cooking the dinner. Got some potatoes down in there, and we're gonna roast some roasting weenies.
Thank you, iCarly.
Potatoes are finally done. Oh, of course. Right before I started recording, it went in and it was like a swish, but now I'm recording. You might have to pick it up as a sandwich or something.
Is there cheese inside?
No, you watched me make it.
I see cheese.
There's no cheese.
There is. It's
Come on. Can you take a bite, please? Is it yummy? Is it hot? Bella, how was it? Is it?
Yum. Yum. Yeah, no. I'm passing.
Peanut butter.
I would hope so. It's got enough chocolate to it.
And peanut butter.
Yeah, I'm passing.
You guys enjoyed your desserts?
Yes. And I'm going to